morning, class 7. So today in geography we are going to start the chapter weathering and soil formation. The lithosphere is the thin outermost layer of the earth. तो सिर्फ lithosphere को बोलते हैं thin outermost layer of the earth. More than 3/4 of the lithosphere it is covered by water. Now the lithosphere is a solid but brittle layer that is made up of rocks. Next is the minerals. They are the naturally occurring inorganic solids with a definite chemical compositions. Now rocks may be hard and compact like granite, soft like clay, or powdery like sand, and some rocks like limestone they are composed of only one mineral, which some like granite are composed of many minerals. Now most rocks they are made up of minerals like the silica, quartz and feldspar. Based on how they were formed, rocks are classified into igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. First is the igneous rocks. It is formed when molten rock from inside the earth rises to the surface, cools and gets solidifies. Now igneous rocks are hard and crystalline in nature. On the basis of their origin, igneous rocks can be divided into two types. One is plutonic rocks, another one is the volcanic rocks. First is the plutonic rocks. They are also known as the intrusive rocks. These are formed when magma is trapped between the layers of the rocks inside the earth only and it gets cooled. They are coarse grained rocks, granite and dolerite. They are the examples of the plutonic rocks. Next is a seal is a plutonic rock structure. तो seal एक plutonic rock structure है. ये horizontal rock structure है. Actually यहाँ पे horizontal way में magma store होते हैं. तो वही formation को बोलते हैं seal. And when the magma cuts across the layers of the rocks vertically, जब vertically magma store होते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं dike. Now a batholith is formed when a large amount of magma enters the earth's crust and cools, forming a massive plateau-like structure. Batholiths extend to unknown depths and have surface areas at least 100 square kilometer. Next comes the volcanic rocks. When magma rises to the surface of the earth as lava during the volcanic eruptions, these rocks gets formed. Now when lava cools and hardens, it forms the volcanic rocks or extrusive rocks such as basalt and latite. So these two types of rocks are formed due to the volcanic eruptions, or they are known as the volcanic rocks. Now the grains of such rocks are finer and sometimes lava spreads out over a large area on the surface of the earth, and when the lava hardens, lava platforms is formed. So lava after becoming hardened, जैसे ही वो hard हो जाते हैं तो एक lava platform form होते हैं. And the Deccan Plateau in India is an ancient lava platform. Second is the sedimentary rocks. They are broken down into fragments by rivers, wind and ice. Rivers, wind और ice इसको fragment में divide करते हैं. These bits of rocks are then transported by the rivers and winds and glaciers and deposited in layers on the floor of the shallow water bodies. Shallow water bodies में ये store होते हैं तो इसको बोलते हैं sediments. And over millions of the several years of sediments accumulate and get hardened. तो ये accumulate होते हैं और ultimately ये hard हो जाते हैं into compact rocks that is called the sedimentary rocks. तो ये compact rocks में form होता है जिसको बोलते हैं sedimentary rocks. Now sedimentary rocks can be classified, recognized because of their layered or stratified appearance. Now fossils appears only in sedimentary rocks. Fossils सिर्फ sedimentary rocks पे ही appear होते हैं. Now sandstone, shell, limestone, coal and gypsum, these are all examples of the sedimentary rocks. So ये भी सारे examples हैं sedimentary rocks के. Next comes our metamorphic rocks. These are formed by the existing igneous or sedimentary rocks and are subjected to extreme heat and pressure. Extreme heat और pressure में कोई भी sedimentary और igneous rocks convert हो जाते हैं metamorphic rocks में. Now the metamorphose or change into new kinds of rocks with different physical and chemical properties. They have ribbon-like layers. तो इसमें ribbon-like layers होते हैं and shiny surfaces. For example, limestone changes to marble, granite to gneiss, clay to slate and sandstone to quartzite. Thus, marble, slate and quartzite, they are the metamorphic rocks, and diamond is also a metamorphic rock. Now it is formed from carbon located deep inside the earth's surface. तो ये form होते हैं due to the carbon located deep inside the earth's surface. Next is the rock cycle. It's constantly being formed by destroyed and reformed. In this process is the rock cycle. मतलब igneous rock, फिर sedimentary rock, फिर metamorphic rock, फिर igneous rock से ही start होते हैं. तो यही है rock cycle. Igneous rocks are the original rocks. They get eroded over millions of years और sediments में convert होते हैं, get deposited and sedimentary rocks are formed. Over time, the sedimentary and igneous rocks वो buried होते हैं deep underground में, where the heat and pressure they changes them into the metamorphic rocks. Now when pushed deeper, they turn into molten lava. और भी ज़्यादा push करने से वो molten lava में convert हो जाते हैं, which cools once again from the igneous rocks. फिर से cool होते हैं and it forms the igneous rock. So up to this for today. weathering से हम next day को start करेंगे. Thank you.